As you can see from the kids' excitement, we're headed somewhere in the airplane. They don't know where we're going, but they know we're going somewhere fun. The plan today is to fly to Jekyll Island, Georgia for lunch and maybe check out the beach and come back home tonight. Jekyll Island is roughly a 2-hour flight in the Tiger or 5+ hour drive in the car. The weather is supposed to be VFR throughout the day, and a front is moving in later tonight, which could bring some rain. But we plan on returning well before that.
Clear prop.
Pastry ground, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta at the north ramp with information Zulu VFR departure to the east.
Romeo Delta, runway 21 left via Alpha Delta, correction via Delta Hotel Alpha.
21 left via Delta Hotel Alpha for 66 Romeo Delta. Alright, Kavya. Do you want to see a helicopter there? Look at there's a helicopter there.
I'll see.
There's a smiley face airplane.
6 Romeo Delta, hold short of taxiway Alpha.
Hold short of taxiway Alpha 6 Romeo Delta.
When are we gonna fly up in the sky?
Very soon, baby. Very soon. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 airplanes.
6 Romeo Delta, you can continue taxi now.
Continuous taxi on Alpha for 6 Romeo Delta.
I love it windy.
Yeah, but before we take off, it's not gonna be very windy, okay? Because Papa's gonna close the canopy.
I see you closed it.
So there is one airplane waiting, another airplane, big airplane. So we have a little bit of waiting to go, baby.
Okay.
Yeah. Tower Grumman 6 Romeo Delta holding short 2 on left.
Roger, I have 3 jets on final.
Look, Kavya, there's another airplane landing.
When are we going to fly in the sky?
So when Julie, give me a turn on final for space and 1 departure prior to your arrival.
Alright,
That's turned on final when I flew out.
ready to go.
Wind 1604.
When are we gonna fly in the sky?
Oh, very soon, baby.
Very soon, Kavya. We're waiting for the jets.
Reserve Roman Sierra, no delay down to the end, right at the end, cross to and right, ground point 6 to the other side.
We'll hurry to the end, cross to right, ground point 6 on the other side, 610 Romeo's here.
Number 66 Romeo Delta Peach Tower, runway 21 left turn, east approved, clear for takeoff, traffic, Cherokee 1.5 mile final.
Left turn approved for 6 Romeo Delta, runway 21 clear for takeoff.
One Juliet, the traffic's rolling, thank you.
Hi, Juliet.
606 Mike Charlie, ready for takeoff and order.
Roger.
Tree Tower 438 Whiskey Romeo is on the wide left face, approach 21 left.
Number 438 Whiskey Romeo, Peach Tower, runway 21 left, clear to land.
Clear to land 21 left for 438 Whiskey Romeo.
Wind 180.5. Hey, Whiskey Romeo Square, turn to final.
8 Whiskey Romeo Square, the turn to final.
Run up complete, 1 Lima Alpha.
Carl, that's a stone mountain, Kavya. Look at that. Stone mountain.
6 Romeo Delta, freak change crew.
Freaking changer for 6 Romeo Delta CISA. Plan approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta request.
And who had the request?
November 66 Romeo Delta request.
6 Romeo, say request.
November 66 Romeo Delta about 7 miles east of PDK over Stone Mountain. Looking for a VFR flight falling to Jekyll Island 09 Juliet for a Grumman Tiger Alpha 5 Bravo. So right now 3,500. We want to climb to 5,500 after clearing the Bravo.
6 Romeo Delta, understand your Grumman Tiger. What altitude and number did you say?
Currently we're at 3,500. We would like to climb to 5,500 after clear of Bravo.
Roger. Who had the airport site? Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, squawk 2244.
2244 for 6 Romeo Delta. Yeah, on the buildings, Kavya.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, you're to contact 7 southwest of Gwinnett, land altimeter 3001, say altitude.
3001, we are at 3,500 right now.
6 Romeo Delta, roger. Maintain VFR 3,500 to advise.
We maintain VFR 3,500, 6 Romeo Delta. Kavya, if you see any other airplanes, let Appa know, okay? Yeah, lights flashing there, that's the tower, Nana.
Oh.
Yeah.
What tower is it?
It's very tall. It's a cell phone tower.
Reaching 3,000 cleared, visual 210 650.
Yeah, we're going to a new place,
Charlie, if you
Nana.
could maintain 180 knots or greater, so you'll leave 5 out for me.
We'll do it. Speed 180 or greater to 5 mile final, 650 on the truck.
Go
November 5,
higher.
Bravo Whiskey, the traffic is still factored. It's set to maintain 4,000.
Bravo Whiskey 10, 4,000.
But airplanes go so high. Look how high we're going.
November 5, Sierra Foxtrot,
Yeah.
flighting 320.
We are 3,500 feet.
0 for Foxtrot.
Hey, what did you find in your bag? Did you find something fun?
I found my iPad.
Alright.
Number 6, Romeo Delta, conduct approach on 124.2, see ya.
124.26 Romeo Delta. Approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 5,500.
November 66, Romeo Delta, line approach to making altimeter 3000.
3006 Romeo Delta.
While cruising around 5,500, I noticed that there was clouds forming around that altitude. Then I decided to climb 7,500 to stay top of the clouds. I could see the layer being scattered to broken toward my route.
Jacksonville approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 7,500.
66 Romeo Delta Jackson, Roger, Bravo got 73005.
30056 Romeo Delta. I have a request.
Go ahead.
6 Romeo Delta would like to start our descent, but there's a bunch of cloud layers here. Can we get a quick IFR, a pop-up IFR clearance to get down below the cloud layer? 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, it'll be a little bit before I can do that for you. Stand by.
Just come in.
Push 588, clear back direct to the airport. Let me know when you see it. Direct to the airport, push 588.
When are we getting there?
Yeah, very soon, Nana. In about 25 minutes.
Okay.
I was trying to get down below this cloud layer, okay?
Okay.
Jacksonville approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta.
66 Romeo Delta, go ahead.
Yeah, we should probably start our descent now. It looks like it's VFR up here. Maybe we find a break in the cloud. We can descend to just below there.
66 Romeo Delta, roger that. If you get closer and need one, just let me know.
Say that again for 6 Romeo Delta.
For 6 Romeo Delta, if you get closer and need one, just let me know.
I will do 6 Romeo Delta. Can I start my descent now?
Affirmative. Out to your discretion, sir.
6 Romeo.
I think most everybody didn't shoot individually. Once I get them low enough, number 3 Papa Quebec, you can send maintain 3,000.
3,000, 3 Papa Quebec, thanks.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, let me know when you have the airport in sight.
6 Romeo, 6 Romeo Delta, we have the airport in sight.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, radar service terminates, welcome maintain VF4, we'll talk to you next time.
Maintain VF4, thank you for your help, 6 Romeo.
Jack Center, hello.
Jekyll Island traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, about 4 miles to the northeast, Jekyll Island.
St. Simon traffic site, Premier 213 Papa Quebec, 10 miles to the north. We'll be making straight in on RNAV runway 22, St. Simon.
St. Simon traffic, Galaxy Jet is about 12 minutes out.
Don't worry, I did not crash. I went around for another attempt. The winds were much stronger than forecasted, much stronger than I expected. I found that out after looking at my ground track on ForeFlight.
Looks like the beach.
Yeah, it does.
We are near to. We're on an island, Kavya.
This island looks like a beach.
Does it?
Yes.
So we're here at Jekyll Island. So we rented this bug. It's called a red bug. It's kind of like a golf cart. It has multiple seats. So this one has 4 seats, and there are some that have 6 seats. So this is pretty cool. So we're gonna go into town and eat something. Maybe we'll go to the beach. Yes, Ram? Yeah, we'll go to the beach. Mama's coming. Okay. Maybe we'll go to the beach and go home after that. See ya. Stay tuned for part 2 where I had to dodge some thunderstorm to get home. See you guys later.